Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime? Number is 23. Before that, we have to know what are the prime numbers. Remember that the definition of prime number is prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Now it is 23. 23 can be written as, it can be divided by 1 only. 1, 23. Therefore, 23 can be written as 1 into 23. Right? Now you see 1 and 23 are the factors of 23. 1 and 23. 23 are the factors of 23. Right? Therefore, the numbers which are factors of 1 and the same number, that is the number itself, are known as prime numbers. Therefore, 23 is a prime number. Therefore, 23 is a prime number. Prime number. Now, number B is 51. 51. If we factorize 51, we are getting 51 with 3. 3 is 3, 4, 5, 20, 3, 7 is 21. Right? That means it can be written as 1 into 51 and 51 is equal to 3 into 17. 3 into 17. Right? Therefore, the factors of 51 are 1, 3, 17 and 51. But prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Therefore, it is not a prime number. Therefore, 51 is not a prime number. Not a prime number. Right? Now number C, 37. C, 37. 37. It can be written as, if you factorize 37, it can only be divided by 1. 37. Therefore, it is 1 into 37. Therefore, 37 has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Therefore, 37 is a prime number. Therefore, 37 is a prime number. Prime number. Now D, 26. Now 26D, we are doing question number D, that is 26. Now 26 can be written as 1 into 26. 26 is equal to 2 into 13, which is 26. Right? Therefore, the factors of 26 are 1, 2, 13 and 26. But the definition of prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. But it has two more factors, that is 2 and 13. Therefore, 26 is not a prime number. 26 is not a prime number. Right? Therefore, we are explaining again. First one is, you see here, there is 23, it is 1 into 23, and prime numbers are those factors which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. The 1 and 23 are the factors of 23. Therefore 23 is a prime number. B51. 51 is, we can write as 1 into 51 and 3 into 17. Therefore 51 has 4 factors, that is 1, 3, 17 and 51. But prime numbers are those factors which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. But it has 4 factors, therefore 51 is not a prime number. C is 37. It can be written as 1 into 37. That is, it is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Therefore 37 is a prime number. D is 26. We can write 1 into 26 and 26 equal to 2 into 13. Therefore it has 4 factors, 1, 2, 13 and 26. Therefore we can say that 26 is not a prime number because it has 4 factors. Prime numbers are those factors which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Therefore D, that is 26, is not a prime number. This is the solution of quiz exercise 3.2 question number 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.